Hi, my name is Liz Nicoletti from the Arm & Hammer Laundry brand team, and this September, we are partnering with Dress for Success to support and recognize women everywhere for overcoming what has seemed to be the impossible. This past year, women have been juggling virtual school, work, dinner on the table. Some days it feels like there just aren't enough hours to get everything done. But let's face it, we always find a way to power through. I would like to share a few tips that my teenage son and I have implemented over the past year to help our household management run a little bit smoother. Every Sunday, we sit down and we take the time to list out everything we need to do during the week, from commitments, doctor's appointments, homework assignments, to make sure that we are both on the same page and that we're getting everything done. Another thing I took the time to do with my son during this past year was show him how to do laundry. We can all imagine how much a teenage boy loves to do his own laundry. So we went over the rules of sorting out your clothes, what type of detergent to use, down to folding and putting everything away. He now dedicates one day a week as his laundry day, where he gets everything done. And this has definitely helped to lighten my load around the house a whole lot. And finally, once our week is over, we dedicate Fridays as our special date night. We find a new restaurant that we've never had before. We order food, sit down at the table together, and we connect. And I feel that this time with him is extremely important. I hope you find these tips helpful. I know that they've been very beneficial for my son and I over the past year. And I am proud to be a part of the Power to Her campaign from Arm & Hammer Laundry and Dress for Success to share their mission and to help lighten the load for women everywhere.